Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back. And you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on move device closer to continue while transferring data from old iPhone to new one. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. The first thing that we have to make sure that the both devices are closer to each other. After that, we go for solution number 1. Turn off and turn on Wi-Fi. For that, launch settings, tap on Wi-Fi, turn off Wi-Fi. Now, wait for a couple of minutes and turn on Wi-Fi. Now we go for solution number 2. Charge your iPhone. Plug your iPhone into power and leave it until it charges 50% or above. Then continue the transferring process. Solution number 3. Turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, first launch settings, then tap General, scroll down and tap Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off, wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Solution number 4. Factory reset your both iPhone. Before starting this process, back up your iPhone. First, reset your old iPhone and then reset the new iPhone. To do this, open Settings, then launch General and tap Reset. Now tap Erase all content and setting and tap Erase Now. After that, enter the iPhone passcode and tap Erase Now to confirm this process. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.